Hey guys, Connor Moore with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to bring you guys a 2024 Boston Whaler 160 Super Sport. So for one, it is in the classic Whaler look with having that beautiful white hull color on the way down. Also having the red graphics on the back just gives this thing the classic Whaler look that we all know. Now starting up here in the bow, we do have a couple awesome options on here, like the high bow rails. Makes it a very secure boat, especially when you do get the additional sun pad cushion. So I highly recommend that if you're looking to make this a comfort boat. Then you also do have the bow tow eye, which is a huge upgrade if you're looking to pull this behind a cabin cruiser or any other boat that you might be needing to tow this with. Aside from that, you also do have a really usable anchor compartment in here, and there we go there. And coming back towards the console here, you'll see that we do have a really usable cushion or seat slash cooler area. So very large cooler, but it fits in this cavity perfectly like it was made for it. So it is a great little spot, and you can also get an additional cushion to go on top of that as well. Then over here to your console, this has everything you need, nothing you don't. Nice lockable glove box right here that is sealed all the way around, so very usable compartment. Then you have your RPM gauge here and your lighting system switch as you put your anchor light on, and your navigation light will power on automatically as that is permanently installed in the boat. Then of course we have this beautiful bench seat right here with the two cup holders in between, with having the 16-gallon fuel tank on board, which is a great fuel tank. And you also do have quick releases here in case you ever want to take that out of the boat during the winter season or anything like that. Then of course, this being the 16 Super Sport is just kind of a do-it-all boat. You do have a bimini top that you can open this up and have a lot of shade in this little boat. Then last but not least, we have a Mercury 90 horsepower motor, which is currently running right now. Incredibly efficient motor and perfect for this platform. But so if you guys want to get any more information on this boat, maybe even come on out for a test drive, please let us know. And again, my name is Connor Moore with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Thank you guys for watching.